Ladies and gentlemen, uh, see here, it is a 4:45 a.m. early morning in Mangalore. Here you can observe one sound. Uh, See, this is 4:45 morning. I don't know. It is a see. It's particularly since 2 years I am observing this. So loud that it can be heard nearly 1 kilometer. It is in the center of the city of Mangalore, in the busy area. It's a pin drop silence, or I don't know. It is a bird, or it's so loud that it can be heard very clearly. I don't know whether it is a cry or it is a breathing sound. See, why I am doing this video is particularly the scientists or the ornithologist, the persons who are studying about the birds in biology. For them it may be very helpful. The science regarding the birds, they can elicit. It's so loud that it can be heard for larger distance also. It is in Mangalore, December 31st, 2024. It can be heard, see, it can be heard for a long distance. The parallel sound to that, another bird is doing the same sound from large distance you can hear. See, this is so loud that can be heard nearly 1 kilometer far. Because, see, so this is cool and calm in Mangalore city, heart of the city. We can hear the cry of the crow also now. I don't know whether eagle or any other bird. Now this bird has stopped crying, whereas another bird from large distance is very slowly audible. See, now it is